Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. Profit and loss. There is some profit when an article is sold for rupees 860. However, when the same article is sold for rupees 560, that is while sold for rupees 860, there is some profit. Then, however, when the same article is sold for rupees 560, there is some loss. So here it is loss. For 860, it is a profit. If the quantum is, that is measurement, quantum of profit is 2 times the quantum of loss. It is what is the condition it is given? This is the condition. If the quantum of profit is 2 times the quantum of loss, find the cost price of an article. So it is asked to find the cost price of an article. So there is some profit so profit equal to, when we get the profit, it is if the selling price is greater than cost price. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Here what is the selling price? So here it is asked to find the cost price of an article. So let the cost price be X. Let cost price equal to X. Let cost price equal to X. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So what is given? Profit. There is some profit when an article is sold for rupees 860. So sold for means selling price. So profit equal to selling price is 860. Cost price is X. So profit. Now next it is given loss. That is loss. When it is loss, selling price is less than cost price. So loss equal to cost price minus selling price. So cost price is X, selling price is 560. So 560 loss. Here it is what is given as, if the condition is if the quantum of profit, that is quantum of profit. What is the profit? Here it is the profit 860 minus X. Quantum of profit is 2 times the quantum of loss. 2 times the quantum of loss. What is the loss here? X minus 560. X minus 560. This is the condition it is given. This is the condition. So 860 minus X equal to 2X minus 0, 5 to 6 to 12, 1, 5 to 10, 11. So 2X minus X. So here it is, that is X is 2X plus X, so 3X. 3X equal to here 1120. Here we have to bring this one here. Here this one here. So 860 1120. So 0. Then 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. 1980. 3x equal to 1980. So x equal to 1980 divided by 3. So what you get is 6 3s are 18. 18 6 3s are 18. X equal to 660. So find the cost price of an article. It is equal to 660. X equal to 660. That is cost price. That is equal to cost price. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.